sayaw dito, guys.
Yes, sunset, madam! Palapit na! Sunset!
Wow.
O, diba? Ang ganda, guys. O, diba?
Especially sunset kami.
Yes, dapat nag-video ka, madam, for your video. Yes. Next time, madam, mag-try ta sa ano, madam, yung taxi in Diwas. That's only
Yes,
25 dirham.
We
Yeah,
go, we go
yeah. Uy, nasaan na to? See, guys, we are here. We'll go up, guys. So, Kitty Pie will take me. See? Yeah, we'll go up. Yay! Okay guys, in the shout out sa Big Mosque. See? And this is the Al Makta Bridge, Kitty Pie, right? Yeah. And we are here. We are only, Madam Busyang already go for duty, guys. So, kami na lang ni Kitty Pie na iwan dito. Yes. Next time, we spend too much time. Oh my God, ang ganda. So guys, ang ganda dito. Lalo na paggabi. But I don't know, Kitty Pie, what time here in the, what's this? See, that is the city. So actually guys, this is only nearby of our home. 11 minutes away. So we reach home now already. Yeah, this is a Filipino restaurant here. That is Khalifa University. Yeah. Is the, what's this? I want to order in the down. What's this? The dessert. Actually, we already finished the coffee, espresso coffee. So guys, this is the outside. Yes. So this is our first time here. It's nice, especially in the night. So they are open here until 5 AM. O, diba? See, we have also here for the washing for your hand. Yes, and this one all. See. And this is it. Hi. Ayan. So what's this? Graham? This is a... Okay, how much the slice for this? Yeah? So this is our coffee. It's already done. Wait for a minute, okay? Hello guys. Woo! So this is sorry? Yeah. You can also watch this in the YouTube or Facebook. Yeah, I have a channel, Dayan Studio. Say hi, my friend. Who's this, my friend? Please, so you can.
With discount.
What discount? So guys, this is here for. What time you will open? What time you will open?
It's 3 o'clock. 3
p.m. until 5 a.m.
5 p.m. Yeah.
5 p.m. or 5 a.m.?
AM.
See, hi. This is guys. Oh, see, this is. Oh my God, that's so nice. Excited to eat this banana pudding. So nasa taas na si Kitty Pie. Ang ganda ng location nila. Ang sarap dito magmoni-moni. Moja! It's my banana pudding! Yay! Let's eat! Shout out Kitty Pie! O, diba? This is my order, a banana pudding with this. Let's check this out. If masarap. Wow! Mmm! So yummy! Smell na banana. We tried this. I think we need to put this one in the oven. Hey, it's a peanut butter! Oh my god, this is my favorite for the bread. Do we need to... Yeah. Oh my goodness. So we try this banana pudding, guys. Pudding. Si pudding. Banana pudding. See? Yummy kaayo dito. It's so yummy. Sarap.
Try the peanut butter.
With peanut butter? We tried out this, guys. Only little bit. After I don't like. We will try this banana pudding with peanut butter. If what is the taste? It's my first time actually. Much better. Come here, try. Come na. Oh my god.
Oh
Ang ganda na, guys. Kalada sunset. Look at the moose. How I delight. So maganda talaga dito this pagdating. O, diba? O, diba? Actually, it's only nearby this one in our home. So we have also here Kitty Pie also. It's a big place, this one actually, guys. Ah, they have also ice cream here, Kitty Pie. Boutique ice cream, Kitty Pie. They have here boutique ice cream. Ah. Oh, so this is the Moja Bakery coffee. Hi. Kitty Pie, seriously, they have a boutique ice cream here. Oh, actually, this is the main front. Shout out kay Collector's Corner, my videographer for this. You have a lot of haters in your life. Place. I like this one. Yes.